With the emergence of COVID-19, how we do business on a day-to-day basis has drastically changed. What was once in-person meetings and handshakes has now turned to virtual meetings and then the virtual fist bump through the air or the elbow bump from 6 feet away. Now you as a property owner may find yourself in a want or need to sell your property during these times, but may be asking yourself, how can I do that and still maintain safety standards and guidelines without jeopardizing my health? Well, here at Treasure Valley Property Solutions, we have been providing these solutions for sellers for years. This is nothing new to us. Our objective is to make this process as simple and convenient for you as possible. We've been doing virtual meetings, been doing walkthroughs virtually, been sending digital contracts through email. Transactions can still be done, and they can be done in a convenient way that keeps you safe, but more importantly, gets you the resolution that you need in selling your property. If you have any other questions or have a need to sell your property, please reach out to us today at buyhousesboise.com.